Hello children. Today in this video we are going to see practice set 11.1. First question. The following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Here number of saplings is given as scores xi. How many saplings? Least number is there 1. Then last number is 4. So we write in the scores column 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of students. Whatever saplings are there, it is given 4, 6, 12, 8. FIXI, 4 into 1, 4. This I have kept bold. What you have to complete the table. So 6 into 2 will be 12. 12 into 3, 36. 8 into 4, 32. Now, number of students, FI total you want to make. Here you will make the total of this 4 plus 6, 10 plus 12, 22 plus 8, 30. So, N frequency total is 30. Here also sum of FI into XI. Total of this 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 36 is 52 plus 32, 84. So sum of Fi into Xi is known to you, N is known to you. Then formula you know, mean equals to X bar equals to sum of Fi Xi upon N. Sum of Fi Xi is 84 upon 3030. Simplify 14 6 5 6 6 6 gets cancelled. Answer is 14 by 5. When you simplify, you get 2.8. Therefore, the average number of trees planted is 2.8. Next question. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month of May. Complete the table and answer the following questions. Here, electricity used in units is given Xi. Units are in multiple of 15. So 30 is the minimum and 90 is maximum. So 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 will come in the class column, Xi column. Number of family frequencies is given as 7, 2, 8, 5, 3. Fi into Xi. 30 into 7, 210. 45 into 2, 90. 60 into 8, 480. 75 into 5, 375. 90 into 3, 270. So, N equals to total of this frequency column N equals to 25. Sum of Fi into Xi equals to 1425. How many family use 45 units of electricity? How many families use? 2. So 2 families used 45 units of electricity. Please don't write answer in one word, write in one sentence. State the score, the frequency of which is 5. Frequency of which is 5? This. So, the score of for which the frequency is 5 is 75. Find N. N we have found out here, 25 it is coming, and sum of FIXI is 1425. Find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. Here we are writing the solution here. Mean X bar equals to sum of FIXI upon N equals to 1425 upon 25. When you simplify this, you will get mean equals to 57. The mean of electricity used by each is 57 unit. Next, question 3. The number of members in the 40 families in Bilar are as follows. Here again the data is given. What is the least number? 1. What is the maximum number here in the data given? 7. So it's written here. Now I will write 1 tick mark, then 6, then 1 tally mark here, and so on. So when I do for each term, then I will make the number of families frequency, that is Fi. Tally marks is only to count out the numbers here. How many times 1 is coming, 7 is coming, and others. Clear? So 2 is the frequency, 5 plus 3, 8 is the frequency, 5 plus 2, 7 is the frequency, 5 plus 3, 8 is the frequency, 5 plus 2, 7 is the frequency, 5 plus 1, 6 is the frequency, 2 is the frequency. Make the total of this n equals to 40. Again, Fi into Xi. Whatever numbers are given in this column and this column, you have to multiply. So Fi is 2 into 1, 2. 8 into 2, 16, and so on. Then you have to make the frequency column total n equals to 40. And sum of Fi Xi, total of this column, it is coming to 156. Mean x bar equals to sum of Fi Xi upon n, 156 upon 40. Simplify here, you will get 39 by 10. So mean equals to 3.9. The mean of the members of 40 families is 3.9 members. Question 4. The number of science and mathematics projects submitted by Model High School, Nandpur in last 20 years at the state level science exhibition is. Data is given. Prepare a frequency table and find the mean of the data. Which is the least number here? 1. Maximum 5. So number of projects Xi equals is given. So minimum 1, maximum 5, write in order increasing. Tally marks, now you know how to write. From tally marks, you know how to write the frequencies. After writing the frequency, number of years, frequency Fi, you take the total of this n equals to 20. Next column is Fi Xi, product of 3 into 1 is 3, 6 into 2 is 12, and so on. Make the total of this also, sum of Fi Xi equals to 55. Mean x bar equals to sum of Fi Xi upon n equals to 55 upon 20. Simplify it, you will get 11 by 4. That is nothing but 2.75. The mean of the given data is 2.75. Much is there for this exercise. See you in the next video. Then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you.